So I'm recording this video for two reasons. One, to show you what an example of what, I mean, if you were to do this for your discussion forum posts, you'd be a rock star. Right? The other issue that comes up is people have a hard time displaying their work in Canvas. They don't understand this embedding versus attaching. And well, you know, someday if you're going to do your work on, get it on a PDF form, then attach the PDF. That's fine, and that works. That works. But what I'm going to ask you to do in some of the exam questions and quiz questions, you're going to have to do some work and then get your image online, and so it's a combination of text and images. So, and it seems to give people a hard time. So I want to show you how to embed an image in a discussion forum post, or even in a quiz question. I mean, it's the same setup versus attaching. And there's a good time to attach them. There's a good time to do the embedding. So I'm going to show you how to embed. So I'm in Canvas. I replied to discussion forum 1, and I'm going to click on, see that embed image. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on that. And then what you got to do is you got to, if it's online somewhere, fantastic. You might have watched my other videos about using that Imager website. This is what you can just paste it in right here. Works slicker than anything. One thing that happens with a phone, when you do your work on paper and snap the picture on a phone, for some reason when you put it in a web browser, it gets rotated. I don't know why. Imager fixes that. You can rotate it. Often it won't rotate it when you paste the link in the Canvas. So I don't know. I don't have a good answer for it. I can certainly crane my head sideways to look, so don't worry about it too much. But what we're gonna do is I'm gonna upload it. I'm trying to get you to embed it. So you probably don't have course files option, because I'm in here as a teacher. If I'm gonna click on my files, and you gotta make sure you click on my files, and conversations are what discussion boards are, you know, whatever, you're gonna have to click on my files. And this upload should darken for you. And then I put this, see, I downloaded some stuff, which is the older one. Boy, I don't like that name them. They aren't exactly the same, are they? This is the later one. So I'm going to upload that, and see, it's there, and it looks like it's in this. I wonder if I'm in the right course. But and then what you can do is you can change the size. You see that image? That is going to be a huge image and take over the screen. A good width is 700, and then this is the height, and that automatically sets it for you. And just click update, and then there it is. Okay, and there's an image. Now, then I'm going to say, like, here's my work. I guess you don't really need to watch this part, but here's my work. So notice I embedded the picture of the problem, or I provided the problem. I also provided the page number. I provided the source. That's really important in discussion forums. If you just post work, I'm not going to be able to find where it is without some discussion with you. So, and maybe somebody's having a hard time with that one problem, and if they can skim through the discussion questions in their discussion forums and say, oh, this person, somebody else did, you know, that exact question I'm having a hard time with. So, I mean, if you give that as actually, if you could put that as your first line in your post, I mean, I'm trying to do a different, well, let me do that. So if you put your first line, put that as the first line in your post, that makes it easy to see. So there's that. Now I'm going to get my work up here. This is my handwritten work. That was just a screen capture from the textbook. My handwritten work again. So I'm going to click on Embed Image. I'm going to click on Canvas. I'm going to click on My Files. I'm going to upload. And it was in my downloads. Let's see, it's this one. And again, see, it's a huge file, 2,500 pixels wide. Is it? You know, that's going to be huge. Change 700 works well. If it's a small picture, you know, even smaller works. I want to keep this big enough so we can see it. Okay. You kind of got to accommodate my aging eyesight, guys. I wear glasses, but I can't always read things. See, that's a nice size image. And then I'm just going to click post reply. And here's the first post. So here's my first post, okay? And boy, if you could do that, that'd be fantastic. So remember, you can click reply. So if you want to reply to me or to somebody else, you click reply there to their post. If you just want to make your first initial post, reply to the discussion forum. Okay, so just reply. And remember to embed an image, you're going to click on that and upload it to Canvas, or you can attach it, which is not as preferable, but it'll work. Okay. Because then people have to download it and all that. So hopefully this video will help you do that. I'll also post this in this discussion.